Question number 7. The diagram shows part of the curve y is equals to 5 over x plus 1 plus 2 and the part of the line y is equals to 2x plus 1 intersecting at the point A. This is a point of intersection for the curve and the line. Find the coordinates of the point A. To find the intersecting point of the curve and the line, we have been given the equation of the curve and equation of the line, so we can solve them simultaneously to find the value of A. So we have y is equals to 5 over x plus 1 plus 2. On the other side we have the equation of line, which is y is equal to 2x plus 1. Comparing the y, we will have 5 over x plus 1 plus 2 is equals to the 2x plus 1. So we will have 5 over x plus 1 is equals to 2x plus 1 minus 2, which is equals to the 2x minus 1. So 5 over x plus 1 is equals to 2x minus 1. After cross multiplication, we will have 5 is equals to 2x minus 1 times x plus 1. So 5 is equals to the 2x times x is 2x square plus 2x. Negative 1 times x is negative x. Negative 1 times 1 is negative 1. So this one is equals to 2x square plus x minus 1 minus 5 equal to 0. So 2x square plus x minus 6 equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation and can be solved by factorization. For example, negative 6 times 2 is equal to negative 12 and 4 times negative 3 is also equal to negative 12. When we add 4 plus negative 3, we will have 1. So we can use these calculations to factorize this quadratic equation. So 2x squared plus 4x minus 3x minus 6 equal to 0. So 2x common and we will have x plus 2. Taking negative 3 common and x plus 2 equal to 0. Further solving, we will have 2x minus 3 times x plus 2 equal to 0. So we have two factors equating each with 0. We will have 2x minus 3 equal to 0, and in this case x is equal to 3 over 2. On the other side we have x plus 2 equal to 0 and x is equal to negative 2. We can see that the point A has the x coordinate. This one is positive x coordinate because it is right side towards the origin. So positive value will be considered and negative value will be ignored. Now plug this value of x is equal to 3 by 2 in equation of line to find the y coordinate. And equation of line is y is equal to 2x plus 1. So y is equal to 2x plus 1, which is equal to 2 times x. X is 3 over 2 plus 1. So we have y is equal to 3 plus 1, which is equal to 4. So the point A is equals to the x coordinate, which is 3 over 2, and the y coordinate is 4. Find the exact area of the shaded region. You can see that this shaded region is between the two curves. For example, area under this curve is this area, which is in purple color. This one is the area under this curve, okay, and area under this line is this one. To find the shaded region, we need to subtract the area under the line, which is yellow, from the area under the curve, which is in purple color. So shaded region area is equals to the area of curve under the curve minus area under the line. Now, the shaded region is start from origin to the x coordinate of the intersecting point E. So we know that x coordinate of the A is 3 over 2. So area under the curve is from origin to 3 by 2, and the curve equation is y is equals to 5 over x plus 1 plus 2 with respect to dx minus area under the line, and the area under line from the 0 to origin to the x coordinate of the intersecting point. And the equation of line is 2x plus 1 with respect to dx. Now first we apply the integration, then we will apply the limits. Integration of 5 over x plus 1 is 5 ln x plus 1 plus integration of 2 is 2x, limit from 0 to 3 by 2 bracket close, minus integration of 2x is 2x square over 2 plus integration of 1 is x, limit from 0 to 3 by 2 bracket close. Now apply the upper limit. So we will have 5 ln of x plus 1 means 3 by 2 plus 1 plus 2 times x means 2 times 3 by 2 minus apply the lower limit, which is 5 ln of x means 0 plus 1 plus 2 times x means 2 times 0 bracket close. Then so this one is cancel out and we will have x square. So apply the upper limit, we will have x square means 3 by 2 square plus x means 3 by 2 minus apply the lower limit, mean x square means 0 square plus x means 0. So we will have 5 ln of this one is equals to 5 by 2 plus 2 will be cancelled out 3, then minus and 5 ln 1 and 2 times 0 is 0, so minus 0 minus 3 over 2 square is 9 over 4 plus 3 over 2. 5 ln 5 by 2 plus 3 ln of 1 is 0, so negative 5 times 0 minus 9 over 4 minus 3 over 2. 5 ln 5 by 2 plus 3 minus 9 over 4 minus 3 over 2, and this one is equals to 5 ln 5 by 2 plus, and we take LCM which is 4, so this one will be 12 minus 9 and this one is minus 6. So we will have 5 ln 5 by 2 plus with negative 3 over 4. So we will have 5 ln 5 by 2 minus 3 over 4, which is the area of shaded region, which was required.